Hello guys, just a little unboxing video. I got this box today. Got it off eBay for a pretty nice price. Already cut it, haven't opened it yet. So here we go. Yeah. Bunch of standard paper like usual. Remove that. And there you go. That is a pretty nice vise here. I have another one that I bought the round tray for on the bottom that I use inside when I'm fooling around picking locks and all. This one will stay out here in my service van here. Looks alright. Jaws look okay. I'll probably replace them later. I believe total price on this, of course it was used. Looks better than the one I have in the house. This one still has the sticker on the bottom. Base looks nice. Some scratches on it. All in all, looks good. Vise works. This will be the one that I'll be using out here. Don't know whether I'm going to mount it on my rekeying board here. Probably not. Right now my rekeying board, I'm gonna make another rekeying board, and I'll probably make a video of that too. I'm probably gonna mount this like I mounted my keying board here, which is, if you can see, it's got some screws in the corners. Well, those screws in the corners have acorn nuts on them. I have acorn nuts on them, 4 corners. What I did was I drilled bigger holes for the 4 corners here, and it slides right on in here. Doesn't go flush with the board, just in case there's a tool like a file, like a tool file or a key laying on the board. It'll still be flush. Up here in the corner, got 4 holes for my pin tray there. When I'm using it, I can move that, and that pinning tray mounts in these 4 holes here. So that won't move around, slide off, whatnot and all. And like I said, get it in there. I've hit some bumps, hasn't popped off. Definitely hasn't slid around or anything. And I'll probably put some screws and acorn nuts on my vise and drill 3 holes over here in the corner. Either there in the corner or maybe in the center, I'm not sure. But probably do it in the corner right there. I can't mount it in the corner because if I'm working out here and it's cloudy or at night, I'll be able to move that and put my light over there. Illuminates pretty good. And that light, usually I have a magnet mounted on the bottom of it, and it usually sits over here on that metal plate right there. It's pretty sturdy. It hasn't popped off or anything, going over bumps or anything like that. It hasn't slid, but I use that when I'm cutting keys on my little mini mite here. But this is my work area in the van. My bench, nice my cabinet here, and my other bench here with got my fan on it, my paper towels, and this is just a 3-door cabinet here. Cart, 3 drawers, pinning kits and all. Middle drawer has keys, key boxes and stuff. Bottom has manuals and all. Bottom one has manuals. You gotta watch my fingers there. And under my other bench, those are all my key boxes and my vise. But that is usually where I'm working, out here. You know, no matter if it's 30 degrees out or 100 degrees out. And I don't really want to show you this because this is usually where I work and all. But I do have another bench, and like usual, that's the one that's a mess. But here's my other bench that has most of my tools on it. Got all my screwdrivers all over there, plug followers, little parts, key gauges, tape measure. Move my picks out of the way. Bunch of cylinders need to be pinned up, put away, whatever. More tools. My pin kit, nice lab emerald wedge. It's in a good area. And then you got lock shot lube, WD-40 for cleaning. Drill down there. Homemade bump hammer. Works fairly well. Got other tools laying under there. Purchased bump hammer, some other hammers down there and all, but got my pin kits back out, or my picks back out here. And opening tools for automobiles and all. And that's what the whole area looks like outside. Got a nice seat to sit on. That's my brass bucket right there. It has all old keys, whatnot in it. And this is what I work out of. Other guys have nice big vans, have a bunch of stuff. Well, this is the one I have. Nice little Aero Star. Works good for me. Well, like I said, this is my first video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be posting more soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.